Welcome to Marvel Made Simple, where we unravel the mysteries behind everyday marvels. Today, we are diving into the delectable world of chocolate making. From humble cocoa beans to mouth-watering chocolate bars, let's embark on a sweet journey. Our story begins in the tropical regions of the world, where cocoa trees thrive. It's here that cocoa beans, the heart of chocolate, are born. Farmers carefully harvest these precious beans, ensuring they're ripe and ready for the next stage of their journey. Once harvested, cocoa beans undergo a transformative process. First, they're fermented and dried under the sun, developing the rich flavors we associate with chocolate. This crucial step sets the foundation for the chocolate-making process. After drying, the beans are roasted to perfection, unlocking their full potential. The roasting process brings out the deep, complex flavors of the cocoa beans, tantalizing our taste buds and igniting our love for chocolate with the beans roasted. It's time to crack them open and remove the outer shell, revealing the coveted cocoa nibs inside. These nibs are the essence of chocolate, bursting with flavor and potential. The next step is grinding and conking, where the cocoa nibs are transformed into smooth, velvety chocolate. This process involves grinding the nibs into a fine paste and conking them to achieve the perfect texture and flavor profile. Tempering is the secret to achieving that signature snap and shine of chocolate bars. By carefully heating and cooling the chocolate, we ensure it's perfectly crystallized, resulting in a delightful sensory experience with every bite. Once tempered, the chocolate is poured into molds and left to set, taking on the familiar shape of chocolate bars. It's a moment of anticipation as we eagerly await the final product, ready to indulge in its rich, creamy goodness. Wrapping and packaging add the finishing touches to our chocolate bars, ensuring they're ready to delight chocolate lovers around the world. From artisanal chocolatiers to beloved brands, each bar tells a story of craftsmanship and passion. As we savor our chocolate bars, let's take a moment to appreciate the journey they've undertaken. From bean to bar, it's a journey filled with dedication, skill, and a touch of magic, reminding us of the marvels that surround us every day. Thank you for joining us on this delicious adventure through the art of chocolate making. Be sure to subscribe to Marvel Made Simple for more fascinating insights into the wonders of our world. Until next time, stay curious and keep marveling.